create and execute Selenium IDE test cases. Okay, say usually you don't try on public web applications like Gmail, etc. Sometimes you can execute, but they are public web applications in production. They change their navigation dynamically. That time you may not execute properly, so use our application. Otherwise, in public applications also you can execute. Observe Ravindra. Yesterday we executed na. Once again that one. Check or verify Gmail link existence in the Google homepage. This is one test case. Already we did this one. Once again, this is public web application Gmail. Usually we cannot execute tests. We cannot write and execute tests on public web applications. They are in production. Vendors, developers of the application frequently change their navigation also. Next, verify admin login in GCR shop web portal. Next, verify customer or user customer login in GCR shop web portal. Just a minute. This one is admin interface. This one login interface. User interface. Two interfaces of the application. Okay, I think all of you familiar with the navigation. Just guide me, Sean, these three test cases. We already did these three test cases in Selenium WebDriver, using Selenium WebDriver, this time using Selenium IDE. First, launch Mozilla Firefox browser. Next, launch Selenium IDE. File, new test case, click to record.
Yes, sir. Navigate to gmail.com or google.com.
Navigate to Google only. Then verify this link presence. Gmail link exists or not. See.
Yes, sir.
So all available commands. Here you can assert this one. Assert element present link Gmail na. This verification is sufficient for you. And one more thing. Verify element present link in Gmail na.
Yes, sir.
See, both are for verification only. If it is assert methods and verify methods, purpose same, verification only. Then what is the difference? You try, Ravindra. Suppose in our test 4 verification points. If you use assert for all verification points, suppose if second assert fails, then what will happen? It stops the execution.
Yeah, sir. It stops the execution. Execution.
It won't.
If you use verify,
it won't execute remaining steps.
Yes,
But
sir,
suppose first assert pass, second assert fails. It won't execute third and fourth. Instead of assert, if we use verify command, verify title or verify link text or etc., what will happen? Even though one or two verify methods fails, it will continue the execution, but it logs the failure. Suppose first verification passed, second failed, third passed, fourth passed, like that. Okay. Next, get one conclusion, Ravindra. When to choose assert method and when to choose verify method? Both are for verification only. If assert fails, it stops the execution. It won't continue the test case. If verify fails, it will continue the execution. It logs the defects.
Sir, if you're conducting negative testing, we can use verify, sir, because we know.
Suppose if there is no functionality dependency between verification points, then you can use assert, verify.
Verify, yes, sir. Yes.
Suppose second fails, no functionality dependency in between second and third. For example, that time you can continue with verify. Suppose that is one scenario. Observe, Sean. Suppose functionality dependency is there in between verification points, then use assert only. Why? Suppose if second verification fails, suppose third verification steps correct, but it won't pass if dependency is there. Okay, na? Final conclusion, observation. When to choose assert, when to choose verify?
Sir, we choose assert when there is a functional dependency, and when there is no functional dependency, we choose verify.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Correct. Observe, Ravindra, once again. Assert and verify both are for verification, to insert verification points. These are Selenium commands, verification commands. Suppose type, click, they are general commands. Okay. When to choose assert, when to choose verify. Suppose there is no functionality dependency among verification points, then choose Sean. No functionality dependency.
Verify, sir.
Verify. Suppose if there is no functionality dependency among verification points, then choose verify. Suppose if second verify fails, it won't stop the execution, it will continue remaining. Next, another scenario. If any functionality dependency is there, then choose assert. If any assert method fails, then it stops the execution, then you can correct that one. Okay na? Ravindra?
Yes, sir, I'm clear.
And one more thing, Ravindra, here only one verification point, checking the existence of Gmail link. So here you can use either assert or verify na?
Yes, sir, it doesn't make big difference. Since it's one.
No difference also, not big difference, no difference. Why? Suppose assert fails, okay, that is the last statement. Suppose verify fails, that is the last statement only, so no issue. So assert text link equal to, see, links three types. Text links, basically links two types. Text links, image links. This is text link. Okay. Now launch this one. Stop the recording. Okay. Observe, Sean, guide me. Run the test case.
Yes, sir. There are two possibilities. We can either go on action or we can click the icon.
Observe. Play current test case icon is there. Otherwise, go to action menu. Play current test case item. Menu item. Okay. You can use toolbar option. Play current test case. Observe the log bottom. Test case executed. Observe the log. What happened, Sean?
Pass, sir.
Test passed. Okay. Now try to save this one on hard disk. Say if it is Selenium WebDriver, we use Java programming. They automatically save in C workspace some folder while launching off Eclipse IDE, it alerts. But here you need to save that one. Save test case. Suppose Sean. What is the format? Here it is not showing correct format. Save as type all files, but it saves as native format HTML only. Observe. Save. Minimize these two. Observe this one. Properties. What is the format, Sean?
HTML, sir.
HTML only. Say just a minute. Open with Firefox. Okay. Leave this one. We can save on physical hard disk. Otherwise, here no save. We can save on physical hard disk. Just a minute. Where is that one? Okay. Now I am taking new test case. New test case. Second one. Guide me, Sean. Verify admin login in GCR shop web portal admin interface. You know the navigation. Okay.
Yes.
And one more thing. See here, you can clear the result log. And one more thing, if you know the syntax, you can type that one. Otherwise, you can record.
Okay, sir. So click on the record option.
Just a minute. Ahalya, reading messages and answering is difficult task. And one more thing, TestNG assert is different. Selenium IDE assert is different. Entire different. Don't mix the concepts. TestNG assert class is there and assert methods are there. Assert equals something. TestNG framework assert methods different. Selenium IDE different. Both test cases are different. Don't compare also. Okay, na Halya? Don't compare these.
But the purpose, sir?
Okay. Pardon?
Is the purpose same, sir?
Purpose same, but we cannot compare these two. First
Yes,
of all.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we
Assertion
can't
means
compare.
verification points only, but we cannot
Okay.
compare TestNG framework assertion with Selenium IDE assertion methods. Why? Both are
Yes, sir, we
different
can't.
tools and both test
Yeah.
cases syntax different. No comparison. Suppose we can compare assert and verify in Selenium IDE. Why? Both are verification commands of
Verification.
Selenium IDE. Okay, but we cannot compare assert of TestNG with assert of Selenium IDE. Okay. Next, guide me, Sean. Second test case, admin login. Here you can enter base URL. If you record I think it will generate that one. Suppose new test case record.
So go to the GCR portal website.
Just a minute.
Navigate.
GCR IT build 3 admin. Go to that admin interface. Enter username. Suppose admin. Next, enter password. Valid. Enter password admin at 123. Click login. Here you can choose any element or this one URL for verification. Observe. Place mouse pointer on the page and right click. Show all available commands. Observe Ravindra. If it is general commands, you can record that navigation in Selenium IDE. If it is verification commands, you need to select that verification, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Commands available in your hand, but you need to select. Okay, show all available commands. Here observe, Sean, open his command.
Yes,
okay. this build 3 admin index page available na?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you can choose other verification point also. No issue. Observe. Now, generated na. Observe Ravindra. Open. What is open? This is command. This is URL. Next, type. What is type? What is type? Tell me the keyword, Ravindra.
Type.
Command, sir.
Type is command.
Not command.
Selenium command.
Oh, yeah.
Or Selenium IDE command. Next, target name equal to username. What is name?
Target, sir.
Target value. Okay. What is name? What is the keyword? Type of keyword. I'm not asking functionality. What is name?
Element, sir.
Element locator.
Yeah, element locator. Yes.
What is username?
Username. Parameter.
Locator value.
Locator value.
Is a
Not parameter. Parameter is admin. Say name is element locator. We have name, ID, etc. Already earlier we did that one. Just a minute. Log off. Just a minute. Launch this file. This one. Take this hand icon. Show username. Observe Ravindra. Name. Name is element locator na. Username is value na.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Admin is in raw words. You can say observe Ahalya. Admin is value. Just a minute. Admin. Where is that admin? Oh, we are continuing this one. Just a minute. New test case. This one. Click to record. First navigate. Just a minute. Navigate to GCRIT build 3 admin. Next, enter username admin. Next, enter password admin at 123. Click login. Next, show all available commands. Open this URL. This time it is showing only this one. Stop recording. Stop recording. Next, just a minute. Put base state, previous state. Suppose you can choose this one also. It will navigate. Observe, Sean. Base URL generated na. Otherwise, you can type this base URL. Main URL of this test case.
Okay.
Run the play current test case. Test log. What is the test case status, Ravindra?
Passed, sir.
Passed. Okay. Now observe, Ravindra. Put base state this application. Okay. Now observe, Ravindra. Open is command. This URL is target is URL. Okay. Next, type is command. Name is element locator of username edit box. Username is locator value. Admin is input data, or you can say parameter. Next, again, type is command only. Name, element locator, password, element locator value. Admin at 123 is at 123 is
Input data.
input data, or you can say parameters. Observe Ravindra, Sean, you can edit test steps na. Suppose I want to edit first one, second step, select this one. Suppose value instead of admin, Sean. edited na. Observe, Sean.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was wondering, like, I mean, there are two open commands. So one open command, the target is the initial URL, and the last one is target URL, right?
Yes, target URL, but inside verification method.
Yes, sir. So, like, I mean, here, where did we insert the verification point?
Sometimes script is not readable. Observe here. It is verifying only. Open here verification point. Test case passed na. Why it is showing
Yes,
this
sir.
one? Just a minute. We will check next time. Just a minute. Clear this one. Just a minute. Record. Admin login. Admin. Just a minute. Admin at 123 login. Next, show all available commands. Open. Oh, it is showing open only. Sean.
Yes, sir.
But I think some issue is there. Sometimes it will show another type, but external view open only. But first open launching the application, second open verification point. You can observe the task. You can observe the task. Observe. Select first statement, run the test case, log, passed only na.
Yes, sir.
Just here in these also I think this one is the problem. Here it is not showing assert or assert title na, only open na.
Yes, sir.
That's why. Otherwise, see, don't spend more time on this one. Selenium IDE, first of all, unnecessary. Just a minute. I will show another test case. File, new test case.
Nowadays, no one is using IDE,
No one
right,
is
sir,
using
in
this
companies?
one. Only for some elements identification purpose. Secondary purpose, not that primary purpose. Suppose
Okay,
if you
sir.
want to use this Selenium IDE for small scale project, that also problem. Suppose if any data driven test case is there in that small project, problem na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose as per customer requirement, any this one browser compatibility testing or cross browser testing is there, difficulty. That's why just a minute. First launch the application. Next, enter password. Sorry, username. Enter password. Click login. Observe this log off. Observe here. Observe Sean.
Yes, sir.
Assert element present link log off is there na.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise verify also there. Otherwise you can go for show all. I think this is suitable na. Assert
Yes,
element present link equal to log off.
Yes, sir.
Select that one. See, you can select different verification points. Now it is showing assert element present na.
Yes, sir.
Actually earlier that open command like that only, but internal process different. Internally it will use verification method only, but first open only launching the application. Just a minute. Stop the recording. Next, put base state, previous state. Okay, you can leave that one. Now run the test case. Play current test case. Play current test case. Okay. Next, observe the test case status. Observe Ravindra. What is the status of test case? All green na, no red na. Observe this log.
Yes, sir.
Log
Pass.
also okay na? Test case passed na?
Yes, sir.
Now observe, Sean. Suppose this is at a time execution, Sean. At a time means continuous execution, one by one only. Sometimes, suppose I need to execute step by step, rare usage. Suppose I need to execute step by step in order to locate the errors. That time, insert this one breakpoint, toggle breakpoint, then observe, Sean, play current test case. Here, green color, this is disabled mode. Observe. Now, not green color, blue color. Now, step enabled now.
Yes, sir.
First, insert breakpoint at first or required statement. From beginning to end, step by step only. I want step. First step, launching. Second step, admin. Observe. It is not executing continuously now.
No,
Oh,
sir.
yeah, yes, sir. It's
Only
just
one
showing
step.
that step.
Then you can observe
Okay.
where problems. See, sometimes observe, Sean. If it shows errors, then you can easily rectify. No need to execute step by step. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can do. Yes, sir.
Suppose error not showing, but not correct output. That time step by step. When the type of situation occurs, I already discussed. Suppose
So it's a kind of debugging, sir.
debugging. Suppose at one point of time I need to use x equal to a plus b. Mistakenly, if I use x equal to a into b or a minus b, that is not syntax error. Our test point of view error. In order to look at that type of errors, you can use this one. See step again. This time password enter.
Yes, sir.
Again, click login. One more step also there. Log off step. Click again. Over. Tell me, show the log passed. This is about step by step. Observe editing. Observe editing, Ravindra. Suppose I want to edit third one, fourth, remove this breakpoint. Okay. I want to edit fourth step, Ravindra. Instead of ID equal to TDB1, TDB3.
Okay.
How to?
Click on that fourth step, sir.
Select fourth step.
Yeah. Select
Here
fourth step and
you can change the command. You can change the command or target or value. Suppose instead of TDB1, TDB3. Next, observe, change it now.
yes, sir.
Now, I want to observe, insert new command or comment before this type after first statement. Observe, insert new command. Otherwise, delete this one. See, next editing, okay. Delete. Suppose, Sean, I want to delete last step. How to delete? I want to delete last step in this test case.
Yes, sir. Click on the last step. Right.
Click on the, select the last step and right click.
Right click.
Next,
Delete.
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 Deleted. Suppose I want to, Ravindra, I want to insert comment at beginning as first step. Select first step
First step
and right click. Otherwise,
Insert.
Go to edit menu, insert
New comment.
new comment. Insert here in this command field, write. What is, suppose this is a
URL.
suppose sample test case example. Any meaningful sample test case. Now comment inserted. but it won't execute. It is only for understanding purpose. Okay na Sean?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, does it have like object repository like QTP, sir?
No. Here also no object
Okay.
repository concept for Selenium IDE.
So the entire Selenium suite doesn't have object repository.
Object repository. That for that we are implementing POM. POM already old concept, page object model. That I will show after the program or within the program. But in Selenium IDE, no object repository concept. Why? First of all, it doesn't support no built-in feature for object repository, centralized maintenance. And second one, it doesn't support programming. But Selenium WebDriver supports program. But that is not the drawback of Selenium. Observe, in Selenium WebDriver using POM, POM, page object model. Actually, that is not in our syllabus. I will try to include that one. After the program or before the program, I will explain. POM, page object model, that is programming concept. Using page object model, we can maintain elements information in a centralized location. But in Selenium IDE, no centralized location. That is also one drawback of Selenium IDE.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ravindra. Observe, I think these concepts enough for Selenium IDE, but one more test case is there. Just a minute. New test case. Put base state. Go to this one. Here login, create an account. Do you know that user ID? We already created do you know that user ID?
Oh, no, sir.
No user ID. Just a minute. Login credentials required na. Just a minute. Observe, Sean.
Sir, I'm just reminding, video started recording again?
Yes, recording again.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
Sorry. Sean. Here for customer login also, email required. Already we registered. Next, password required. ABCD XYZ 321. Okay. Just a minute. You take this one. Otherwise, you can you can register, but time taking process. Just a minute. First this one na URL na. Click login. Oh, we didn't select recording mode na. Okay. Okay, just a minute. First Google, leave it as it is. Guide me, Sean. Suppose new test case, record. Next, user interface. Click create account. Not create account. Just a minute.
No.
Just a minute. File, new test case, record. Okay. First one, build 3. Next, click login. Next, enter email address. Next, enter password. ABCD XYZ 321. Click sign in. Okay. What is the where is the ID? ID is there. Next, insert verification point.
Right click.
Suppose log off link is there after login. Before login, no log off link. For example,
Show all available.
Just a minute here. Text log off. Actually, it is not link. This one span button type. Suppose show all available. Assert title common before login also.
So verify text.
Verify text CSS TDB4 text log off. Okay, select this one. What will happen? Next, stop the recording. Put base state means previous state. This is the base state. Otherwise, you can select Google application also. It will navigate. Just a minute. Run Ravindra. How to run? Two possibilities. One is here. Play
Click
current
on the
test
green
case.
button.
Otherwise, actions play entire. Play current test case.
Test case, yes, sir.
Okay. Earlier toggle breakpoint. Na, just a minute. Just you remove this one. Toggle breakpoint. Why it is showing? At a time execution na means continuously.
Yes, sir.
Observe the log.
Pass, sir.
Test case passed. Okay. I think this stuff enough. I executed some cases, debugging. Next, insert means edit steps. Next, add comment also. Next, one small assignment to you. Observe Ravindra, assignment to you. In Selenium WebDriver chapter, nearly we discussed 10 to 11 test cases. Na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Convert, except data driven. Convert Selenium WebDriver. We discussed nearly 10 to 12 WebDriver test cases. Convert WebDriver test cases to Selenium. Just a minute. Selenium IDE test cases. Except one exception is there. Except, tell me Ravindra, except
Data
driven test cases.
Test case, yeah.
In our Selenium WebDriver test cases, batch test case also there. Getting this point, Sean? But
Yes,
you
sir.
can automate batch testing. Here, create test case 1, test case 2, test case 3, and you can form test suite. That option available in this one. Here, file, this one, new test suite. New test suite. Here, you can create that one. You try that one. And one more thing, one more exception is there, Ravindra. And cross browser
test case.
Test case. These two not possible.
So IDE only for Mozilla, sir. Yeah.
Mozilla. Observe, this is the assignment, Sean. Any confusion, Sean? Convert Selenium WebDriver test cases. I converted 3 cases. Today, 3 cases. You convert remaining 7 or 8 except data-driven test cases. Data-driven testing is not possible. Here, no resource. And cross-browser test cases. Why? Cross-browser also not possible using Selenium IDE. It doesn't support. Okay, na? Sean?
Yes, sir. You have given this assignment to Ravindra.
Not Ravindra. This is common assignment to all.
Okay, sir.
Assignment to all participants. Okay, na? Did you understand Ravindra or any confusion?
No, sir. I am clear.
Okay. See,
Sir, in this screen, sir, can you open that screen? I just want to ask one thing. It's not related to this test case, but if you don't mind. Oh, sir, did we order something, sir? It's showing that amount 24, right?
Pardon? Amount?
Date expected.
Pardon?
So we ordered something, right, sir?
If you want to order, right? So I just want to... if you want to order that one, account required na?
Yes, sir. No, I want to see the order details, sir, because we already did order, right?
Order. If you want to know order details, just a minute. Order details you can check in admin interface. Otherwise, here we didn't enter properly. I think no products available. No products are. You enter one product with your cost in admin interface. Add product after registering add manufacturer Ravindra. Then here you can get one.
Yes.
Here somebody entered but with 0. It's not correct, but it is taking.
Okay.
Okay. You try that one.